The next topic is random variables. A random variable x represents a numerical value associated with each outcome of a probability experiment. And we are looking at two types, discrete and continuous. A random variable is discrete when it has a finite or countable number of possible outcomes that can be listed. There are gaps between the outcomes. So this is represented on the number line with dots at each of the values. So 0, 2, 4, and so on. This does not include the numbers or decimals in between these numbers. So no decimals. A random variable is continuous when it has an uncountable number of possible outcomes. There are no gaps between the outcomes, and it can be represented by an interval on a number line. So this would include the decimals in between the numbers. So this would include 1.9, 1.99, 1.999, and etc. So it's uncountable because we can always make our decimals longer. Determine whether the random variable is discrete or continuous. Let x represent the number of Fortune 500 companies that lost money in the previous year. So what's the number of companies? So we're not looking at parts of companies or decimals of companies. These are going to be whole numbers. So this is discrete. Let x represent the length of time it takes to get to work. This would be continuous because we can have decimals. So let's say it takes 25.2 minutes or 25.221 minutes to get to work.